Hey, what's up guy, and welcome back to Retron channel on YouTube again. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how you are able to activate the lock, hide and unhide function from iOS 18. So everybody happen to know already that Apple have just released its new and latest version of all of the iOS. It's called iOS 18. And if you haven't yet experienced that, you can go ahead and download. But before you download, check the requirement as well, whether your device is kept compatible with the application, the operating system or not. Okay, so what we are trying to focus today is that a lot of people asking and wondering how do they able to activate the lock application on their phone, and some already do the lock and they are furthermore into hiding the app, and some have a difficulty of finding back the app and unhiding it. So in this video we are showing you all of that, how you activate that, how you hide the app, how you unhide the app back. Okay, so without further waiting, let's go. So let me do a quick demonstration for you. In order to hide the app, you need to go into any specific application that you want to hide. Just scroll it down. For example, I'm gonna hide Gmail. Okay, so Gmail in here, I want to hide. I want to lock Gmail. I don't want anybody to access Gmail beside me, so I'm going ahead to lock Gmail. So in order to activate locking, you must press and hold on Gmail, and then you choose the word require Face ID. Press on that, it will pop up like this as a message. So if you just only want to add passcode to that, if you want to only activate the Face ID on that, just press on require Face ID. Okay, so let's click on that. Okay, now it will scan your face, then it is activated. So when you want to access back to Gmail, you press on Gmail. You will no longer access right into Gmail. You require to activate Gmail from Face ID first. Okay, let's do again like this, and then when you put your face up, it will activate and open Gmail. Okay, so how are you able to deactivate this locking system? In order to disable this function, you must repeat the same way as the way you activating it. So press and hold on the application, and then click on don't require Face ID like that, scanning one, and done. Now there's no need of the Face ID again to access into the application. Okay, go into the second one, is hide and lock application. So hide and lock application mean that once you enable that function, the app will be disappear. You could not find anywhere else on the screen unless you get into a hidden folder on your phone, open it, or you can actually access it from App Store as well. Okay, let's get into that together. So let's perform the second one that we are talking. First of all you need to do, press and hold on the application, go require Face ID, and then choose hide and require Face ID. Like this, you will need to scan for access, and then they will asking you whether you want to hide or not. Just click on hide app. So hide app, the app will be disappear. You could not find it anywhere. You can't search for the app. You can't search Gmail, nothing will pops up. So unless that you are going to App Store, you type in Gmail, click on that, you will see Gmail right there, click on open. So it will asking for permission with the Face ID to access into Gmail. But when you're getting out that, you still cannot find the app anywhere on home screen because you already hide it. So the problem here is that people try to unhide it. Where are you going to unhide the app? Where are you going to get the app back? Well, in order to get the app back, you cannot go into App Store just to get it back. You simply go by swiping left, all the way left into App Library. So in App Library, you will land on the first like this. Then you need to scroll to the bottom where you would see the word hidden. So there's a folder there called hidden. So click on that hidden. Then Gmail is there. If you want to just simply access to that, just click on that. And then Face ID, you get access to Gmail. But when you exit from that, you still could not find any Gmail anywhere on the screen. So in order to unhide the app, the same uh, step, just go into app library, scroll down until you see the hidden folder, click on that, and then press and hold on Gmail. Press and hold on Gmail, and then select don't require Face ID. Okay, now you're not required Face ID, so it's gone already, right? But even though it's gone already, you still could not find Gmail anywhere on the screen. In order to get Gmail back into the screen, you need to go into setting. Go into search for Gmail. So now you will see Gmail is popping out, right? Press and hold that and drag it out. Just drag it out, place on home screen. There you get your Gmails back. And when you click on that to open, you no longer need Face ID to actually access to Gmail. So that is how you lock the application, how you hide the application, plus how you unlock and unhide the application back into your iPhone. So hope you enjoy the video, hope you learn something from this function, and I hope that this won't get you confused. And also, if you have any issue about this video, about the step that we are talking, just leave the comment in the comment section below and I'll try to solve it for you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you posted with new function ever, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.